many forms. Pero isa lang yung layunin nila, to deceive us of our hard-earned money. Kukunin na yun, pati yung information. So nakita namin ngayon na lumalala na siya kasi pati mga local offers, halimbawa offers sa Okada, pagpunta mo doon, wala pala nakabook, pero nagbayad ka na online. Dahil ito'y galing sa Facebook, may mga nag-o-offer sa Facebook. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo lagi pag may mga nag-o-offer sa atin online, kasi maaaring scam to, lalo na pag mga yung biglang offer, mga unsolicited.
We are very lucky today that we have a reinforced campaign against scams. Nandito ngayon si DOTR with us, together with the National Police. Of course, we invited the Department of Tourism in preparation for the long holidays. And we recognize the potential risk that everybody is facing. Ito yung different scams for travelers. Common na ho ito, but we are here today with a reinforced backing ng ating mga agencies who will increase their presence, who will increase their campaign to reach out sa publiko.